Hello, my name is Josje and I am the spring gardener. I live north of Amsterdam in the Netherlands, where I share my garden with my family and my little menagerie of 3 sheep, 4 chickens, a pair of wild ducks and other wildlife. Last year, I started working on a new vegetable and cut flower garden. My old vegetable garden was towards the back of our property, but I found it too far from the kitchen and my greenhouse, and especially in cold or wet weather, I would not use it that much, and it would get neglected. The new garden, although smaller, is located conveniently next to my greenhouse and is much closer to my kitchen than my old garden. And because I have to be there every day to feed the animals, it is much easier to keep an eye on everything and use the vegetables and flowers every day. In my videos, I'll document and share my gardening plans and progress throughout the year. But I'll also share DIY projects, some of my other creative activities, and additional interests. So then, why is my channel called The Spring Garden? Well, because I love spring in the garden. The lengthening days, the fresh new leaves, and the first flowers that emerge after winter, they bring me so much happiness. And I feel inspired and eager to plan and create during this season. Spring is the time of plans and projects. That's a quote from Leo Tolstoy's book, Anna Karenina. And I wholeheartedly agree with that. I have lots of plans and ideas for projects in the garden, and ideas for projects that may not be gardening, but are garden related in some form or other. So please join me on my journey, and hopefully you'll catch my next video here soon. Have a lovely day!